Alright, hello guys, LegalLockPIcker here. Today, it's not a regular upload day, however, I thought I'd have a little fun. While I was doing some tryouts for some other videos, I'm doing a lot of different things right now and trying to catch up. And I thought I would go back to this CQC top security lock. I've actually featured it on my channel before. As you can see, it's one of the heavier locks. You can get it from, Amazon for less than 20 bucks. It's really thick, it's heavy, it's a bulky boy, that's for sure. You can see here it's got that dimple key. You can see the little dimples on it. And I was just thinking of different ways I could amuse myself and find different things to do with different tools. So that's what I did. So the first thing is I have the SouthOrd MPXS-62 set, and one of the many things that comes in this set is this right here. I know you guys have seen this tool before. I hope so anyway. There we go. So this is it right here. This is actually the tool that you're supposed to use to, I think it's for shutter locks and stuff like that, or I should say keyways. It definitely helps, like tensioning wise anyway. And I thought, what else could I use this tool for besides tensioning? So I got out my dimple set right here. This is one of the dimple picks that I decided to put a plastic tube around here, melt it on there. It's pretty cool. It actually comes from another set, and this is that set. So before the picks looked like this, just in here, they had the black thing around them first. I think I got it for 10 or 12 bucks. It was a really good deal, so I got it. And I kept one like this just so I could show it off, minus the adhesive here, the tube. Geez, I forget what it's called, but the heat shrink, the heat wrap, and that's it. So that's what they look like after you cut them, and then I'm going to put them into different handles. So anyway, I thought I would pick this lock using this kind of tension tool, and I'll see what other kind of madness we can get into. So let's just keep it real basic here, and let's get in there. So the reason this is not a particularly difficult lock to pick, it's more of just like it's just a pain. So you got to be really rough, I think, with these cheap locks from overseas. Alright, we're really getting in there now. Okay. Oop, got it. Okay, so you can see that it can be picked. I mean, this is a very basic. It's, it's got that triangle on it, half diamond, whatever you want to call it. So once we do that, okay, it's locked. You can see that it's locked. So what could we use to open that now? Oh, I know. How about this? Do you think this will just open it wide up? I guess we're going to find out. Now, this is locked. You can see it's locked. So what I'm going to do is slide it down in there. That's it. So, if you guys are home on a weekend and you're looking for new ways to open locks with different items, might I suggest starting with the SouthOrd kit. Now, I haven't opened up a multi-lock with this, and I haven't used the SouthOrd warded skeleton key set to open up a lever lock. However, who knows now, right? Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any ideas for future videos and you want to suggest a lock picking tool, or have something you'd like for me to review, you can just write it in the comment section below. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, subscribe, and liking and sharing is a huge contribution to this channel, and I appreciate every single one of them. Have a great day, guys.